In today's video, we'll be looking at saving time by using templates and assets in Camtasia 2021. So let's jump into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now, when you're creating screencasts or demonstration videos, there are two ways that you can really speed up the process and save a lot of time. And those two ways are by using templates and pre-created assets. Now, Camtasia has many built into the program, as well as an online catalog with many more available. So let's have a look at these. First thing I'm going to do is open up Camtasia 2021. First thing you'll see is that welcome screen, and here you can already select a template. So let's do that right now. Here at the top you can see I can create a new project or a new project from template. So let's go ahead and click on that. It gives me a number of available templates, and this is where you can already start saving time. So here you have the default, typography, software training webinars, sales videos, and more. Now let's say that you want even more templates that are not currently here. You can always go to the top and click on download more templates. So let's have a look at what's available. When I click on download more templates, it opens up the TechSmith library. Now this is online. Many of these are free, but you can also get a subscription and then you have access to all the premium templates as well. So here you can see there are a number of additional templates. Now, if you're wondering whether these are premium or free, you can always see that by looking up here. You can see this is premium and this is also premium. Now, when you hover over one of these templates, you get a preview, and on the left-hand side, you can select whether you only want to see the free or both free and premium. So we're going to have a look at both free and premium templates. So let's click on apply. Both styles of templates will be shown on this website. Now you can scroll down and find the one that is just right for your project. I'm going to use this one right here, a sales video, personal pitch. Let's go ahead and click on download file. When you download this file, you will see it automatically gives you a special Camtasia package. This can be pulled into Camtasia. In addition to that, when you already have it open, you can also click on Open in Camtasia. When you click on that, the project will be downloaded and opened in Camtasia. Let's go ahead and open it in Camtasia. We're going to click on Open in Camtasia. As soon as I click on that, it will automatically open Camtasia 2021, and it will load that template for me. It's going to bring in all the assets and all the placeholders I need to start working with this template. As you can see, it's downloading the template in that bottom right corner, and then as soon as it's finished, it opens up Camtasia 2021. And after having downloaded this, it is now part of my template selector. So you can see here that sales video personalized pitch is right there within the template selector. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm going to open this, click on new from templates. Would you like to convert this? Yes, go ahead. And here we have our project. Let's go ahead and preview this project. You can see it has some music, it has different placeholders, animations, everything we need. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the music. I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to use my own music later on. And I'm going to have a look at these different groups and placeholders. Now you can see here I have various placeholders, 1, 2, 3. I can put my media in there and it becomes part of this template. Now, where am I going to get the media from? Well, you could film your own media. You can use your phone or your camera for this, or you can do as I'm going to do, use the assets available in the library. So we're going to open up that library and I'm going to find some video footage. Now you can see again, there is free content and premium content on the left-hand side. You can choose which one you'd like to use. I'm going to go into the footage tab and I'm going to find some footage of a forest. So let's go ahead and find a forest. We're going to go to the top and search forest. These tags will go through all the available video footage. There we go. I have a number of different videos. I can always hover over them, preview these. Okay, this is quite nice. I like this one. And we can click on Open in Camtasia or download the HT file. Now, if you want different formats, you can always click on that drop-down arrow and download higher resolutions. I'm happy with just a simple HD MP4 file. Go ahead and download that. I'm dragging it from my media bin onto that placeholder, wait for it to highlight, and then I let go. We can now choose, do you want to ripple replace, replace from the start, or replace with clip speed? We're going to replace with clip speed. There we go. This has now become part of my video. Now, as you can see, the size is still a little bit off, so we're going to just increase that and make sure that it covers the entire scene. Let's press play. We have our preview. You can see that footage right there. It's been sped up to fit that placeholder, and we go into a second placeholder. Let's get some different footage now. We're going to go back to the library, and we're going to find a different scene of that same forest. So let's get these colorful trees in the fall, some drone footage. I'm going to select the right format, download this, and drag it into our media bin. Once it's in the media bin, we can drag it on top of that placeholder, wait for it to highlight, and then release. It's here. This time we're going to replace from start. There we go. And again, adjust the size to match and fit with that template. There we go. We can move this around a little bit. I do want to see the sun. Okay, let's preview this shot. We have our first placeholder with some footage, into the second placeholder with more footage. Now, let's say that you want to change all the colors used and you want to use your brand colors. Well, that is made super easy as well, because these assets within this template have their own menu. So here we have this first intro part. You can see lots of green, lots of white. I'm going to just click on this group. And then on the right-hand side, I can simply fill out all the information in this menu to change what this looks like. So let's do that now. We're going to say hi. We're going to say welcome. And then instead of thank you, we're going to say flipped tutorial. And then the text will be demo of assets. And as you can see, automatically everything is adjusted. That is, flip tutorial is obviously a little bit bigger than what we would like it to be. So we're just going to move that to the left. There we go. And everything is ready to continue. Let's change the colors. Again, I'm going to select this group, and in its own menu, I can change the colors. Foreground colors, accent colors, I can change anything that is here. So let's go ahead and change these colors. The background, we're going to choose white. The foreground, we're going to choose a blue, and we're going to leave it like that. If you want to change that text as well, simple, go into the group. There we go. We have that flipped tutorials. We're going to click on this drop down arrow and change the properties of this text as well. All very easy to complete. So let's preview our new file. We're going to start from the beginning. We have that animation, those colors have been changed. We have the text, and then we go back to the regular colors of our templates. And as you can see, because we've changed the foreground and the background colors, that carries on throughout the templates. Here again, we can change this green if we want by simply selecting this and changing the color of the callouts. So let's say that you want all these callouts to be yellow. You can do that with a single click right here. Same for this second part. Simply find that callout in your extra menu and select yellow as your color. Now, in addition to video footage, templates, there are many more assets available on the website. So let's go and have a look. As you can see here at the top, we have customizable assets. We have our templates, themes, different device frames. I absolutely love device frames. These will make demonstration videos super easy for you to create. You can see we have a number of different devices here, all with their own background. So here we have a generic laptop. You can place your footage onto that laptop and it looks as if it's being scrolled on an actual laptop. We have different generic phones. We have an iPhone here. We also have the Pixel device, and there's many different devices being added regularly to this library. We also have different intros. So as you can see here, we have different intros that you can preview. All these intros can be tweaked, colors can be changed. And again, there are both free and premium options available. You can see there are literally dozens of different intros available In addition to those, you have outros and motion graphics. Now, these motion graphics are incredibly useful when you're trying to make sure that your demonstration video or your screencast is interactive and it keeps moving so things don't get too dull or boring. Well, you can use motion graphics to really break it up. So here you can see we have an example of a lower third, and that can go down the bottom. Or we have some block outlines. Again, this is great for quotes or other things that you're trying to highlight. You can see that here. We also have video footage, as I've shown you previously, and images. Now, these images include icons. We have lots of icons available here that you can use within your videos, and you can just simply download these and use them in your program. We also have photos. So here you can see lots of photography available for you to use as an asset. And then another one I tend to use quite a bit, the audio. We have music, loops, sound effects, anything you need for your video, they are here. So let's go to the sound effects and let's find a whoosh sound. So we're going to type in whoosh and we will get lots of different whooshes. Now, when you hover over this, you will be able to preview that. So this is quite a fast one. This is a wind whoosh. Let's download this wind whoosh, and then we're going to drag it into our media bin of our project. And I'm going to use it in my first section of this example. So here, as this opens up, I want to add a whoosh sound. So let's drag this sound into our project and let's preview it. So using the Camtasia templates and assets, you can really improve the quality of your videos and also save a ton of time. Now, if you want to find out even more about Camtasia, I have an entire playlist with lots of different examples and tutorials on how you can use Camtasia 2021. There's also a link in that description below. If you want to try Camtasia yourself, you can get the free trial. And if you do decide to purchase Camtasia, that link and discount code will give you an additional discount on top of the already great educational pricing. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in that comment section below, what's your favorite template? What sort of assets do you enjoy using? And how are you using Camtasia 2021? In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.